What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We're gonna be starting off by making our first guideline with our gold FX, and we're contouring to the shape of his head. I always like to use my trimmers to bald out and make my first guideline because they're very exact and they're zero gapped, so I get a very close shave. Now that we're done balding him out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Having your lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. I'm starting to notice a lot more comments and it's very motivating. I also got my wisdom teeth taken out recently, so I'm still recovering from that. We're continuing with our fade with the one guard all the way open. Remember, you want to soften up the guideline with the same exact garb and then move on to your half guard. Since we soften up the line with the one guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Using our two guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Using this same lever, we're going to soften up the line with the lever halfway and all the way closed. Then erase the line completely with the 1.5 guard. Now that the line is softened up, we're moving on to our 1.5 guard and erasing the line completely. Before we continue to fade, we're going to go ahead and knock the bulk off the top. This will also help us blend into the sides. Now that we're done debulking the top, we're going to go ahead and move on to our 3 guard all the way open. We're going to use a little bit of clipper over comb to detail the fade. Moving on to the back side, make sure to make your guidelines a little bit thicker due to the high density of hair follicles in the occipital bone. We're going to be starting off with our no guard all the way open and then moving on to our 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open and then get ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now we're going to use the 1.5 guard to erase the line completely. Now that my client's a little bit laid back, I can line up his beard. We're going to start off on the back line and then work our way to the neckline. Always, before you line up the beard, comb it in the direction it lays. Before we lining him up, we're gonna debulk with our clipper over comb method, but there are some dark spots in his hairline that we need to fix. I always like to start off in the middle when I line people up. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours, so I appreciate it if you watch to the end. Using our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to do his beard and make him as crispy as possible.